How to add boomerang to your stories. This is exactly what we are going to talk about today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, open Instagram on your mobile and then click on your story. As you select your story, you have to go on the camera option. As you go on the camera option, there will be an option of font and then a boomerang and then a collage. Then you can select a boomerang from this interface. Select boomerang, and when you have selected the boomerang, start recording your video. When you have started recording your video, then pause and wait as it process. As it is processed, then you will get an option to add it to your story. Then click on that and you can add it on your story. So this is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, please link it down in the comment section, and also please don't forget to like the video. Thanks and have a nice day.